Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amin Bujin Ahir. Now we want to explain about business consumer credit and compound interest topic. I want to, the first one, I want to explain the formula. The formula we use here is the compound interest formula. S equal to times 1 plus I to the power of n. Let me break it down. Okay, is the final amount after interest, and P is the principal, which is 50,000 ringgit, and I is the interest rate for each compounding period, and is the total number of compounding periods. In this formula, first we add 1 and I together, then we raise that result to the power of n. That's mean multiply it by itself in times. Finally, we multiply by P to get the final amount. Now I will explain about calculation investment A. Now, let's look at investment A. The annual interest rate is 6%, compounded monthly. And first, we find I equals 6% divided by 12% first month, which is 0.005 per month. Next, we find n equal 12 month times 5 years, which is 60 month. So the calculation becomes S equal 50,000 times 1 plus 0.005 to the power of 60. After calculating, the final amount for investment A is about 67,442 ringgit and 51 cents. Now, for investment B, the annual interest rate is 6.5% compounded quarterly. First, I equals 6.5% divided by 4 quarters, which is 0.01625 per quarter. Next, we find N equal 4 quarters times 5 years, which is 20 quarters. So the calculation is S equal 50,000 times 1 plus 0.01625 to the power of 20. After calculation, the final amount for investment B is about 69,020 ringgit and 99 cents. Thank you.
Now, my name is Ahmad Zikril Iman bin Ayub Khan. My matrix number is 01DRM 25F1003. Now, let's look at the comparison table. Investment A gives about 67,442 ringgit and 51 cents. Investment B gives about 69,020 ringgit and 99 cents. The table show a tick mark under higher return for investment B. This means investment B is better because it gives a higher final amount. The difference is about 1,578 ringgit and 48 cents. So, based on the table, investment B clearly gives a higher return than investment A.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nakiuddin bin Azmi. My matric number is 01DRN25F1014. So, after comparing both investment, here is my recommendation to Farid. Investment B give a higher return of about 69,020 ringgit and 99 cents compared to investment A, which give about 67,442 ringgit and 51 cents. The difference is about 1,578 ringgit and 48 cents more for investment B. Evens out, investment A compound monthly, investment B has a higher annual interest rate of 6.5%, which make the final amount large. Therefore, I strongly recommend Farid to choose investment B for a better return on his on his 50,000 ringgit over 5 years.
Thank you.